let's talk about the Portuguese word for foot, pé, a masculine noun, so pé. I also wanted to mention that there are two fixed expressions that we use a lot in Portuguese with the word pé that can be quite confusing. Let's start with a pé. Literally means on foot, and we use it a lot with the verbs ir, voltar. For example, vou a pé para o trabalho, volto a pé para casa. And then we also have the fixed expression ao pé, usually followed by the preposition de, ao pé de, which means something totally different, near. Moro ao pé do banco. So be on the watch for the differences between those two. They can be tricky.